Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy crypto on OKX Wallet. Alright, so how can you go about buying crypto on your OKX Wallet? First off, make sure you have the OKX centralized exchange. Once you've opened up the centralized exchange, move from the exchange section, which is at the top left. Okay, let's go ahead and select exchange and then click on wallet. So you'll move to the Web3 wallet section. All right, so once it opens, how can you buy crypto on the OKX Web3 wallet? Your first step would be to go ahead and click on the receive icon here. Once you select the receive, click on USDT or use the search to search for USDT. So click on USDT and select the network you'd like to buy on. For this tutorial, I'll be using the BNB Smart Chain. Or you could just go ahead and directly buy or deposit USDT onto the OKX Web3 wallet, but I'll be going with this option and then scan or copy my QR code and deposit. Like I said, you could just select the BNB token and deposit the BNB token onto your wallet. All right, guys. So once you've deposited some tokens like USDT, BNB, Ethereum, Bitcoin, how can you buy crypto on OKX? That's the OKX Web3 wallet. All you need to do now is simply head to the tokens menu, which is at the bottom of your screen. It's in between home and trade. So all you need to do now is, these are the hottest tokens. These are what is listed, but you could use the search token name or address option to find tokens on several networks and chains. So we're going to be going with the BNB token, that is ZKJ, which is $2 worth a piece. So all you need to do is click on this token. Once you've selected this token, go ahead and click on trade. And boom, you're taken to the trade menu where you have to convert some of your BNB tokens into the ZKJ token. And all you need to do now is click on swap. And you can go ahead and swap your BNB token into the ZKJ, or in place of BNB, you could select USDT on the same network, and convert, let's say, $10 worth of the BNB token into the ZKJ token. And then cover your gas fees with your BNB token. So guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.